Everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can pause any app which you are downloading in an app store. Make sure you have the latest version iOS 18.4, just like this. You need to make sure that you have the latest version, at least 18.4, and in this update iPhone App Store has enabled the pausing any app. Like for example, if you are downloading, you can pause any app and resume it later. For example, we will be downloading let's say will be download Roblox, and if I go to Roblox, I started downloading it. You see that it is actually downloading it, and it will show you the option here, the pause. Now once if I tap on it, it will pause my download. For example, like this, it is actually paused the download and I can resume it from here. So that was the latest option which is introduced in iOS 18.4. I hope this helps you out in pausing your download, and if you have any internet disruption or anything you like to pause it, you can just do it over here and you can resume it by tapping it on, and it will resume your download from here. So actually that's the way you can pause any of your download, and you can enjoy your experience to your iPhone. I hope this video helps you out in pausing your download or a new feature of an iPhone or App Store. Please keep supporting us, and like, share, and subscribe. Until next video, bye bye.